This is our most challenging shot yet. We've got the brand new Insta360 X4 360 camera just here. We've got the Insta on this beautiful little FPV. Alex is going to attempt a very challenging shot with a professional snowboarder. Go through his legs and he's grinding on the rail just there. Theoretically, very easy.
Yeah, first time.
Super easy. Right, fingers crossed. You're alright. That's right in the ball.
8, 3, 2, 1. Can you almost be like in the middle of the rail and then?
Yeah, could do. So I'm not just on the end. I can. We'll try one more time. Yeah, I just need to commit a bit more.
That was clean. That was clean.